if you're watching this video, it's probably because you've tried methods and techniques, but your English is still lagging behind. And do you know why? It's because you're not using the appropriate methods. You're probably frustrated, but this is the video that's going to cause the change, because I'm going to share 5 strategies and study habits that are going to help you. They helped me and other people and will help you too. So make sure you stay to the end. Hello there, I'm Will. I'm pleased to have you on Will Language Academy. Today I'm sharing 5 study tips that will help fine-tune your English. Without further ado, let's jump right in the topic. Method number 1. One very easy thing you can do is just change the language to English on all the gadgets you have. For example, on your phone or a laptop or tablet. That way you're reading English every day, and without really noticing, you just learn a whole lot of vocabulary. For example, the thing you see on your screen like, "Are you sure you want to shut down now?" Things like that. My tip number 2 is to do things you like doing but in English. So for example, if you like reading, then read in English. If you like movies, watch them in English with subtitles. If you like computer games, play them in English. But don't do things you don't enjoy in your language. I mean, if you don't like reading in your language, it may be Spanish, French, or so on, you'll enjoy it even less in English. And so you probably won't learn anything. My method number 3. It's believed that learning vocabulary is very important. You can speak a language without words. So what I recommend is that you buy a vocabulary flashcard app for your phone. In my case, for example, I will install vocabulary apps like Word app, okay? Or during my reading, we'll write down all the new words and phrases I want to remember in French and in English. And then when I get a quiet moment, I test myself. I also use Reverse Context and Lingo, which you can easily download on Apple Store or Play Store. It really helped me remember new vocabulary. So that's my tip. Get a vocabulary learning app for your phone. My tip number 4, I think one of the biggest problems when you're learning something new is motivation, something that makes you continue and not give up, right? So my tip is to book yourself a vacation in an English-speaking country or a country where people speak very good English. It can be a neighboring country, so you won't spend too much money as a little reward for yourself and for you to be actually able to practice your English. It's really motivating when you go somewhere and find that people understand you and you can communicate. But if you can't do it like me, if you can't afford a trip for an immersion in an English-speaking country, it's not a big deal. You can still be good at it being in your own country with a lot of practice and especially with the appropriate materials. Like, I haven't gone anywhere to speak the English I'm speaking now. That's why I'm inviting you to subscribe to the channel, as there will be several updates concerning the materials for effective study, and you could select the one that fits with your learning capacities. If you love music, which I do, my tip is to listen to as much songs as possible in English, then learn to sing them. It's so easy nowadays with YouTube. First, you download the lyrics and try to understand them. Then you sing along with the singer and try to copy the way he or she sings. This is fantastic for your pronunciation. Then once you can do it well, you go back to YouTube and get a karaoke version of the song. Then you sing it. It's fun, and your English will really improve as a result. Hope these tips will be useful to you. However, do you have other interesting tips to share with us? Feel free to drop them in the comment section. Like and subscribe to support the channel, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to improve your English. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye for now.